Wow, this is quite a hill. Why is there a comma after Yonsei? You want to say a few words?
Hey, what's up? Welcome to Yonsei.
Can you introduce yourself in Korean?
안녕하세요. 저는 이름은 영재입니다. This is like what we learned in class today. Like the whole day.
네, 미국 사람입니다.
I've been to Korea so many times, but no one ever like talked to people like that. Yeah. The guy made sure that there's gonna be no nut in here. If you get a nut allergy, we're gonna sue the restaurant.
We have to be really careful in case this has nuts in it. So Youngjae very kindly tried to teach me how to say that in Korean, but I can't do it. I'll just die, I guess. I'm gonna eat all of this myself. It's fine.
How do I pour this?
Like
is it like like?
Oh wow! Is it working? Is it actually chocolate?
Oh, it is coffee.
It's coffee. Oh, it's like. Wow, so many. Naruto.
Oh, and like Korean people read from the back. Naruto.
You said before that you like this weather.
I actually like this weather because it's actually nice and cool. And I know that Korea gets even hotter and warmer and more humid. 여의도?
여의도.
지하철 탔어요?
아니 버스 7호선 버스.
지금 버스는 어디 탈지 모르겠어요. 죄송해요.
Oh boy.
What do you want?
I'm sorry, I was accidentally just recording all of this, so I might as well. Maybe I'm a mouth breather now. Because I had really bad sinus problems like all year.
You did not bad. With beers.
What do you think?
My first time taking the train. I've only taken the bus so far. So far it's ridiculously clean. There's literally an escalator. In New York they only have these where there are rich people. This is literally the nicest train station I've ever been in.
Yo, look at this. This is so rare.
One.
Yeah. Dude, I like forgot that people go out on Friday. You know, shop.
I also forgot that Itaewon was like where a lot of foreigners go. I was like, there's so many
Dude,
other
it's
people
like,
here.
Hey, 이거는 남산 타워?
Itaewon Freedom.
I want to get sundae actually. I had sundae the other day and I just want it again.
oh, here is me pouring drinks. And you drink out of a bowl because we're civilized people.
And who's it for? Your birthday.
Hello, Friday, TGIF.
Turning 20.
Night. And it's really pretty. There was just like a World Cup live viewing.
It's the best.